Welcome to the product demonstration of generating electricity by waste materials, high power electricity generated by plastic garbage. In this product we are using power cable, step down transformer and series capacitors, bridge rectifier and 12 volts 1 amp battery and switch, and also using power charger. Here you can see the power charger, and also using a switch and another switch. So this is switch for the water motor and this switch is for the chimney fire close and open. So the main aim of this project is to generate a power from the waste material. So the waste material will be given in this box. So that waste material will be burned. That burned will give a fire. Through fire we can generate the power. So the power will be generated by the solar plates. So when the fire is directed in the box, then automatically this solar will be generate the power. That power will be given to the charging circuit. So through charging circuit we can charge this battery, and also through this battery we are connecting to the series capacitors which increase the voltage. So through this one we can on this bulbs. Now we will see how it will be works. So first of all we need to on this power supply. After that we need to give this one. So we have to give a material to this one, and I have to add fire. After that just off this one and it will go back, and the fire will be happens here and solar plate will be generated power. So the fired carbon dioxide will be go through this chimney. Here we can see the chimney is attached with the pipe. So that pipe will contain a carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide will be go to the air filter. So this is the air filter which filters the air. So it will attract the carbon dioxide from the in this water and reduce a normal air. And also we are using a water pump for the water rotation. So we are using a waste material as a tissue papers. We will burn in this one. So we need to on this one. So it is burning now. So the carbon dioxide will be go from the chimney. So here we can see the solar power is generating a power. That power will be given to the power charging circuit. In the power charging circuit we consist of a 3 series capacitors added in a parallel. So it will be become a high voltage. That high voltage will be given to this battery. So now it is burned. So the voltage will be given to the charging circuit. Now just open this one. So now just remove the waste material from here. After this in the normal position. So actually this battery have a low voltage, that's why it is moving less. So we can charge this battery using this step down transformer. So here we can see. So we can give the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts of power supply will be given to the step down transformer. So step down transformer will be step down the voltage up to 12 volts. Here we can see 12. So it will step down up to 12 volts of AC. That 12 volts of AC will be given to the rectifier input. So we know the rectifier converts AC to DC. That converted DC will be 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this 12 volt 1 amp battery. So each battery have a 4 volts 1 amp rating. So if we add the batteries in a series, so 4 plus is equals to 12 volts with 1 amp rating. So we can see the light indication of the charging circuit, which means this battery get charging. And also if you want to on this bulbs using this battery, they switch on this button. So we can see this one light indications. So we can see the 4 lights have been on. So we can see the light indications of this one. So if you want to off this one, just off. So we are giving the power supply through this battery. It is given to this capacitor board. So the capacitors are connected in series, so which means it will be step up the voltage of the DC power supply. So if we add the capacitors in a series, so it will make a voltage become a high. That high voltage will be given to this bulbs, then bulb will be glow. And also here we can see the carbon dioxide through this chimney will go to this air filter. So in this air filter have a water, and that carbon dioxide will be produced in the water, and the air will be moved. Now we are just if you want to on the water circulation, we need to on this motor pump. So we can see water indications here. So we can see here the water is coming, and it will go to this box, and the water will be have a cool down through this one, and it will be come to this box, and air will be filtered, water will be filtered using this method. In this way this coil will be works. Thanks for the watching.